Hello, my name is Ryu, and a couple days ago I just found some Pokemon cards, and I've really been wanting to get some, so I'm going to open some. I just had two shorts, and I hope you guys will watch that too. Now I'm going to try to open this box. I don't know how to do anything. Come on. The struggle of being an emo is hard. So let's see how well we do with these once I figure out how to open this thing up. Okay, we just open it like that. Oh, look at that. It slides right out. Oh, there's more cards than I thought in here. Oh, wow. I'm gonna keep 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna keep this Mewtwo and Ho-Ho for later. Well, we'll see how long the video goes first. That's Mewtwo and Giovanni. Now my short, I really struggled to open these up. Oh my gosh, what the heck? There we go. Alright, so the first one is Crustle. Now my English is pretty bad. There's Washrotom, which I believe I already have another one of those. Fomantis, I had... The struggle is real. There we go. There we go, you already saw one again. Tells you how great I am at this. Baltoid. Evolution of Claydol. Ooh, Mudsdale, that's cool. I had him in my Sun and Moon playthrough. Named it Nestor, the donkey. Oripon. Also the other Switch game I never played. There's an Archer. Team Rocket Archer. Or, it's not Archer. Or maybe it is. I don't know. Yay, I'm so good. I just dropped... Actually, I don't even know where it went. Oh, well. There's a Mankey. There's Misty's Magic Cart. There's Houndour. There's Grimer. Nasty little thing. There's a code. Basic Steel. And... oh, that's cool. That's cool. Really need to play these games. Here's that Zoo Golbat that I found. That I dropped on the floor. So, if I get enough likes and watches on these, I'm going to open up this Lucario pack. He's my favorite dog. This is my favorite evolution. Aren't you so cute? You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. And then I have Hisuian Zoroark pack that I may open up if I get enough likes. With my little cute little Zora. Aren't you so cute? You're so cute. Yes, you are. You go get a little boop, boop. So if I get enough likes, I'll open them up. I'll probably open them up regardless, just in due time. It just depends on how soon I will open them up. It's so cute. So bye-bye for now. Bye-bye.